cottage. Nice cottage. Hello. We're done at the Sky Cafe. Hello everyone. We are at Incredible Cafe. Now we're going down. Yeah, it's so foggy. So foggy and my face is oily. But it's okay. I guess it will be worth it down there. Tagalog ka ba, Abi? Tour guide ka natin ba, Abi? The Sky Cafe is there. The Sky Cafe, but this is the Incredible Cafe. So, samahan niyo ako. Puntahan natin ang Incredible Cafe kahit tayo ay mukhang lumupoy. So, let's go. First you can see is a cottage, nice cottage, and then a triangle design of a bamboo that has a light, beautiful lights. It's nice. The time is 4:36 a.m. the Tuesday, right? Yes, it's looking nice in there, dog. Bobs, saan ka pa roon? Then we will wait for Bobby, and as you can see, there are 3 cottages all in white. It's nice. And ito po ngayon yung Tobus additional 2. This is my first time here, so I'm wondering what it looks like down there, but I guess it will be worth it.
Ano ba? Ano na?
Success, Bobs.
Success.
So let's go.
2 hours travel. Rides.
2 hours. There are staffs, crew of this Incredible Cafe. Hello. And I wonder what it looks like in this. I guess mga 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. here. From here we will view the clouds later. I hope that it will be nice, dog. And there the books. Pili ka muna dira tayo. So
Patsito. Pang English.
we will be waiting 3 hours from now kay oras 4:36 ba? 4:38. So we just wait and we're gonna order. Sina, pili na mo. Tanan ito dito, order. Sige. So, see you later. So this is what it looks like around 5:34. The sea of clouds.
Sulpi na, Jik. Sulpi.
Nah, ini. Damn, boy. Look at it. It's so beautiful. What if ano bangka? What if may nagbabangka nila? Kaupod ngaya. Oh, banks. That's nice, though. So niyan, i-record pa natin. Ito yung mga Santa alas 7 or alas 8. So, abangan na lang. Now, damot tao. Ini, sikat kima. Yeah. Damot tao. Hindi naman nagpipicture. So, for the meantime, we will post the video. So, we'll see one later. This is what it looks like ngada hit 6 a.m. It's already 6 a.m. So I guess magawas na kami, mauli na kami. So one last tirada.
Man, ang batang tag. Stigbaw.
Then, still damo na gabit tao. Tan adto pa igbaw. Mga na pila. And I guess our time here is done. Yeah, it's worth it. Now we're going outside. We're done at the Sky Cafe. Ay, incredible cafe pala. So, yes, you can see madami ang a lot of people na napila para makasakom dito. But, you know, as viewing in here, hindi nga view, okay naman. Bisan diri ka na sa makog. But if makaong ka sa food, then kailangan mo talaga dito sa makog. And then, yeah, that's it. It's nice. It was nice. Really. So, yeah. Ano?
Gusto kita kahit nakikita ng tennis. Nakikita ng tennis.
Tara, let's go.
Huwag yan kasi.